Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATHX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day here. So let's first start talking about some areas of support, then we can talk resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.42, that would be a very powerful sign for the bulls. Now, if the price drops below it, by no means am I saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can hold above there, then that is going to be best case for the bulls. Now, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about this purple line down there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this moving average is going to continue to well move, and essentially I call them trend lines for lazy people, because if you don't like to draw trend lines, well, this line's going to draw itself for you and create this uptrend line. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above an uptrending trend line? Well, the price itself needs to continue to uptrend, and that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So again, from a support standpoint, $1.42, ideal level of support, but big picture perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? At this point, just going to focus on one. I'll explain that, and the one that I'm focusing on made itself pretty evident today, right up there at $1.52. On two separate occasions, both there and there, you can see the bulls did try to fight up through there, but couldn't quite do it. Not saying $1.52 can't be broken or anything like that, but that's definitely where apparently the bulls are going to need to bring their A game in order to fight through there. And the reason I'm just talking about one level of resistance is because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority for the chart right now. Top priority is just building some higher lows, because as long as you have higher lows, then that's where those long-term uptrends come from. And, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So all in all, good solid day. We'll see if the bulls can start to build this longer-term uptrend. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.